Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data systems with ServiceNow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Security Operations application. From the left-hand menu, select Security Incident under the Security Operations section. Click on Create New to initiate a new security incident. Fill in the required fields, such as incident description and priority level. Assign the incident to the appropriate security team member. Next, set the status of the incident to New to begin tracking it. Utilize the Add Comment feature to document initial findings and actions taken. Once documented, click Save to preserve the incident details. Now, move on to the Configuration Management Database, or CMDB. In the CMDB, search for assets related to the security incident. Analyze the relationships between these assets to assess their vulnerabilities. If vulnerabilities are detected, highlight them in the incident record. Proceed to the Knowledge Management section to gather relevant articles. Link any related knowledge articles to the incident for future reference. After gathering information, proceed to the resolution phase. Develop a response plan based on the insights collected. Communicate the response plan with the assigned team member. Update the status of the incident to in progress while working on resolution. Once resolved, change the status to resolved. Finally, document the closing tasks and lessons learned from the incident. This completion will enhance the security posture of your data systems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.